Okay everyone, today I'm really stoked. I've got a product that I've been waiting for a while. Really excited to be able to do an unboxing and review on this today, so here it is. This is the ILIFE Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. It's the ILIFE A4. Here we'll see powerful suction, 3-step cleaning system, low profile, high climbing, automatically docks and recharges. Really cool packaging here, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so here we go. We're going to unbox the ILIFE A4. Little cardboard ILIFE. We've got the instruction booklet, power cord, some batteries, remote control. Here's the charging dock. And we get a cleaning brush, 2 of the little sweeper brushes, and this looks like a HEPA filter in there as well. So that's kind of cool that they give you some extras. And check that out. Really cool. So they actually put in some shipping blocks here, it looks like, so you want to be sure to take those out on both sides. Look at that. And we'll go ahead and we will peel this off. Very few things in life more satisfying than that. And that is it. So let's go ahead and get all of this set up and then we will come right back. Alright, so those of you that watch my channel will know I already reviewed the ILIFE A6, which is the big brother to this. That's also about $100 more. This runs for about $180 currently in 2017. So we'll just run through what it looks like here. You've got the sensors up front in here to know what it's going to hit before it hits it. For those of you new to robotic vacuums, basically when you hit a wall, it has built-in sensors, so it'll knock into things and kind of know where to go based on what sensor gets knocked. We'll go underneath here. It has a nice little beater brush on here with a little rubber, almost squeegee type thing here to collect the dirt and keep it in towards the suction. We also have these little side brushes here which do a fantastic job of bringing any dirt that would just be missed by the edges of the vacuum and kind of bring them back towards where the suction should be. Looks like here's a power button, so you either have that option to turn it on or use one of the settings on the controller itself. To empty the bin, you're going to go ahead and push down, pull out the bin, and basically you can just empty it out like that. I think you can also wash this as well if you'd like and kind of take the whole thing apart, which is kind of cool. So we'll go ahead and put that back together and put this back in, and let's just go ahead and see how it docks. So for those of you new to the ILIFE products, this is a typical controller for them. It's really cool that you get a controller first of all, but to use this we want to dock it for its first charge. Let's just see if it has enough charge to even get going here. So turn the power switch on. You can see the green light is flashing there. So let's go ahead and just hit the home button. The light turned orange on there, which is your indication that yes, it did get the command that it should go to the dock. And there you go. It is charging. Let's let it go for a full 8 hours on the charger. Let it get a nice full charge, and then we'll come back to some test runs.
Alright, now here I wanted to show what this vacuum can do over a really high pile rug. My Roomba refuses to go up this, and this thing just crawled right on up. And here it is, going right underneath our bed without a problem. So this is what happens when it gets bunched up in a rug or encounters any issues. It kind of backs off, gets a new path, and keeps on going. This is the amount of dirt that was sucked up in just 1 hour of runtime on fairly clean floors.
Alright, so I'm wrapping up my time here with the ILIFE A4, and I'm really enjoying this. It gets about 2 hours of battery life, which is awesome. Actually, we had our 3-year-old fall on this accidentally, and nothing broke. It still works perfectly. It's still quiet as can be. And speaking of it being quiet, I wanted to show the remote control for this. So here's the remote control, and you've got your plan button to set the plan, change the clock time. If you push this button, it's pretty cool to actually follow a wall. So if you've got dirt or dust that collects against the wall like we do here, it'll take care of that. The home button brings it back to the dock for charging, and then this little spiral button keeps it focused in one area and kind of spins in that area if you've got a high concentration of dirt. So I'm really liking all of that. It also goes underneath all of our furniture, which is awesome. So our dressers, our nightstands, our bed, our couches, everything. It'll go under them, which is awesome. So you can see it's really kind of a narrow, slim profile there. Easy to clean. Everything comes apart easily. This little piece here just pops right out. You can clean out any dog hair or whatever sticks in there. Also the beater brush, as you can tell, I'll move up a little closer here so you can see, but that beater brush has some hair stuck in it, so that's something that you want to cut out every once in a while. So just a quick comparison here between the ILIFE A4, which runs for about 180 on Amazon, to the big brother, which is the ILIFE A6. They are very similar. The A6 has a bit better of a battery life, and what you get with the A6 here is this rubberized beater bar, and this thing never gets hair caught in it, so the maintenance on this is quite a bit less. But that being said, for $180, our Roomba that we got, our baseline Roomba, was $400. This is $180, so you're getting really good value. And with the added remote control feature, it's an awesome buy. So can't go wrong with either of these. About $100 more for the A6, but you get a few extra bells and whistles. Another thing that you don't get with most of the Roombas are these 2 side little beater brushes, which is really cool. So no matter what direction it's going, it'll spin that dirt right in front of it, which is awesome. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Please stay tuned for more videos, and happy vacuuming. Thank you.
this is George cleaning up my house. We just turned him on. My house is quite a mess, so he'll have his work cut out for him. There is dog food here by the dog bowls. This is his house. I will show you. Oop, he just got that. Not sure what it was. There he goes. There's one of the cats that lives at my house, the residents. We named him George because he cleans really good and we really, really like him. He picks up everything. He gets under the furniture, and as you can hear, he's super quiet and very powerful. Oop, could have got a hiccup on that, but he didn't. And there he goes. I will show you what he gets when he's done. Goes under that. And there's one of the other residents who leaves their hair all over the house. That would be Ladybug, and she is asleep. He will go under her bed and clean up everything that's under her bed. We've had him for a few days now, and we love him very much. I do anyway. Here he goes, out from under the table. He's carrying that with him, but he will get it. Under the TV, there he goes. Here he comes. I might have to get up because I don't want to stop him. And he's gonna get that. Yep, he got it. There he goes. There he goes into my kitchen. He's gonna get under all the cabinets. You can spot clean. You can max suction with him, which does cause him to get a little bit louder, but not bad at all. Don't know what's under my cabinet that's white. Could be something my daughter was doing because she does her little slime stuff all the time and gets borax on the floor. And he just vacuums it right up. Sorry about the shaking. And I will show you what he gets when he is done. Thank you.
Here's a quick video of the new automatic vacuum cleaner that I unleashed on the house this morning. As you can see, it's actually doing a pretty damn good job. His nickname is Jerry. My son nicknamed him, gave him a nickname. And what he does is he just keeps going and going and going and cleaning everywhere we could find to clean. If we get a second one, we'll name him Tom. So Tom and Jerry can chase each other around the house all day long. He's mostly cleaned this room already, and I think he already put that in his internal memory. As you can see, he fits underneath the shelving, no problem. It's a slimline design, and I don't know, Christopher, how do you think he's doing so far?
I think he's doing a good job for a robot.
A good job for a robot. Would you rather sweep the floor and have the robot do it?
I'd rather have the robot do it.
Okay.
It means less work for me.
That's right. So you can see, he should be able to go underneath. Actually, you know what? Yeah, there he goes. He's underneath. He got it all clean. Now, I did notice he get a little stuck once in a while, but he eventually works his way out. As you can see, he's going lengthwise underneath. He's going all the way to the end there. You see him, Christopher? He's getting underneath the shelves. You know, you gotta like this guy. And look at that. Pop right out the first time, Christopher. There's his little base station that he returns to charge when he's done. I'll make sure I'll have to empty his thing out. Oh, looks like he wants to go back in there again. This is the first time we're using him, and what they say is he'll continue to map out the entire house, and he'll get better and better and better as far as going over the same spots and make sure he covers all the area. Pretty cool?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, alright. Let's see if he makes his way out.
Okay.
See if he gets totally stuck. I'd have to go get him. Wait, there he is. He made his way out. And there he goes. so he can know in his internal memory he's mapping out everywhere he's been and where he's going right now to make sure he hasn't missed anything. So you can see he's filling in his internal map. And there he goes underneath. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. There he comes out. Alrighty. Doing well so far.
What you doing?
And that it will go back and find its way home.
I'm only going to do this for 10 seconds. 10 seconds. That's all. It's after now. door. And those were really and I wrote it down.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alexa, stop. Pretty quiet compared to other ones.
Bounces about in what's known as the crumb tank until it's time for more processing. They then pump the mix into a rotary sieve. As it spins, it drains off the water. They add more water to cool the rubber crumbs. The rubber and water mix